Sometimes you just need to try something a little different. So I decided to try these Thai basil dumplings. Add some olive oil to the pan. Fry on each side until crispy. I had to create my own dipping sauce, so check this out. Splash some soy sauce into the pan. Add some minced garlic. You know everything is good with garlic. What do you think? Comment below. A fabulous hot sauce of Chinese or Vietnamese origin is chili garlic sauce. It's made to spice up your taste buds and make your snacks more enjoyable. It delivers. Woo! Yes, it does.